Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an exciting and creative DIY project for you. We'll be making this stunning paper wreath, perfect for decorating your home, classroom, or even as a thoughtful handmade gift. It's vibrant, fun, and surprisingly easy to make with just a few basic supplies. So grab your craft tools and let's get started. First, let's talk about what you'll need for this project. For this wreath, you'll need colored paper. I used purple, blue, and pink to give it a bright and cheerful look. You'll also need scissors, glue, and a circular base for the wreath, which can be made from cardboard or a sturdy paper plate with the center. Start by cutting your purple paper into squares, about 4 inches by 4 inches. Roll each square into a cone shape and secure it with glue. These cones will form the outer frame of the wreath. Make sure they're all roughly the same size for a uniform appearance. Next, let's create the flowers. Cut out petal shapes from the blue paper and arrange them in a circular pattern, gluing them together at the center. Add a smaller circle of pink paper for the flower's center. Repeat this process to create multiple flowers, enough to circle around the rather. Take your circular base and start gluing the purple cones around it, pointing outward. Once the cones are in place, attach your flowers along the inner edge, overlapping them slightly for a layered effect. For a pop of contrast, I made a layered centerpiece using pink and blue paper. It's a larger flower that acts as the focal point of the wreath. Place it at the bottom center to tie the design together. And that's it. Your colorful paper wreath is complete. Isn't it amazing how a few simple materials can create something so eye-catching and decorative? You can customize this design with different colors or patterns to match your theme or season. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative DIY ideas like this one. Let me know in the comments if you try this project, or if there's anything else you'd like to see me make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting!